In this video, I will show you how to create viral subtitles using CapCut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. You can either add a new video to CapCut or you can select a video that you currently have in your timeline. Open that video, then select Text, Auto Captions. You can then choose the template that you would like to use and then select Generate. Once your subtitles have been generated, in the bottom you will see Style. Select that and you now have different styles that you can add to your captions. If you select fonts in the top, you have a number of different options. What you want to do is increase your font size. You want to select a bold font. You also want to add a background to your captions by going to Effects and then selecting the background that you would like to use. Now we need to add animations to your captions. So select Animations and select something like Border Pop-Up 2. For that viral look, you want to highlight important words. To do this, simply select the subtitle. In the right corner, you will see a pen. Select that. Then select the word that you would like to highlight. Once it is selected, click Edit Style, and then we can choose the color that we would like to add. So I will select yellow. Now if we play our video, we will see that go-karting will be highlighted yellow. This makes your captions more dynamic and keeps your viewers engaged. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.